Hi, my name is Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Today I'm going to show you how to make over 10 foot of very strong waterproof cord from a simple 2-liter bottle and only using a knife. Other videos show you how to do this using a knife and a saw. I'm going to show you how to do this with only a knife. How do you make over 10 feet of very strong, resilient cord from a 2-liter and simply, like my bitch-made bushcrafter knife here? Well, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. A lot of other videos show you you have to take a saw and make a jig and all this, but what if you don't have a saw and you're just in a place you just need some cord, who knows, and you only have a 2-liter bottle, maybe even you have, let's say only, let's see if we can get it out here. Maybe you only have your pocket knife, and that's all you have. I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So in this video, that's what we're gonna do. What I'm gonna show you is my little jig and rig here that it's not made, it's simply found some of the twigs on the tree. I'll show you the close-up and the technique of how to do it. This cord is ridiculously strong. The thicker you make it, the stronger it is, but the less versatile it is. But you can make it incredibly thin, like, I don't know, 1/2 inch or 1/3 of an inch, and you can get a lot of cord out of this. You need to prepare your bottle to be cut. So first, you want to get rid of this garbage here, of course not littering the environment. Let's put it in the trash can or do whatever you need to do, but don't just throw it on the ground and walk away. All right, we'll take that off. That paper won't impact anything. We're not going to need the lid or the bottom. And you can see this line here is a weld line, and so we really don't want that part of the bottle, but we just simply stab the bottle, cut all the way around the bottle, and yeah, it's a little bit hack. It's not a perfect cut. And actually, it doesn't really matter if it's not a perfect cut or not. There you go. So we've got a little bowl that we can drink out of or use as a dish. It's pretty good. And here we go with our bottle. Now, I've cut the wrong direction in this hook because I'm going to be spooling towards the camera. So what I need is to hack off that portion. Now you just make sure that your knife is perpendicular to your guide channel, wherever that might be, because if you don't, this won't work as well. And you simply just jam your knife into the tree with a batten. And now that the knife is in the tree, you simply begin pulling this around. This isn't as effective as the saw method, but as you can see, I'm able to just carefully spin this around. Ideally, it's not that wide, but I just keep spinning, carefully spinning like this. Now this technique, again, you don't get as consistent a cord diameter, but you don't have to have a saw. So there's something to be said for that. All right, keep going, keep going. There we go. Now you're gonna get to the top, and it's gonna start to get a little bit weird on you, but cord is cord, so you'll figure it out and you'll deal. But you just keep going and get as much out of this thing as you can possibly get. Till it just pulls off. And there you go. I now have created my cord. I've got just about 10 feet of cord here. Sometimes the technique works a little bit better than others. It just depends on the bottle, the thickness and the perfection of the notch and all that. This time I got a good thin cord. This time I ended up with a much thicker cord, but super, super tough. So that's literally like the Benchmade Bushcrafter here. I was able to generate almost 20 feet of cord from just a junk 2-liter bottle, and you can do this with just about any knife. You don't have to have a saw or a jig or cut all this stuff. You just literally need to find a tree with a little V-notch from a branch, tap your knife in there and begin pulling. Just be gentle and slow, and it works incredibly well. My name is Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Check out my review of the Benchmade Bushcrafter below. Hopefully you never have to do this with plastic bottles, but hey, that's the way it works sometimes. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and comment on this video, and if you found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy your cord.